Hi, this is Anita Sierra. I'm taking class of police function with Professor Smith at Arizona Western College. Today I'm going to talk about landmark case Mapp versus Ohio. The landmark case Mapp versus Ohio talks about the protection of your 4th and 14th Amendment. Also, after this case, the exclusionary rule was passed. So here is the story. It was in the year of 1961. This lady called Dorima was living at Cleveland, Ohio. She was at her home, a second-floor house, when police officers from the Cleveland Police Department came and knocked the door, asking for permission to search her house, pretending to find a fugitive who was related to a bomb, and they say the fugitive was hiding at her house. Miss Mapp asked the police officers for the search warrant, but the police officers had no search warrant, so Miss Mapp didn't let the police officers to come in. So the police officers returned back to the police car and spent some hours supervising the house. Well, Miss Mapp called her attorney and explained the situation. The attorney advised her to do not let the police officer came into her house unless they had the search warrant. After spending about 3 hours supervising the house, trying to find the fugitive, about 4 more police officers arrived at Miss Mapp's house. So the police officers knocked one more time at the door, but by this time Miss Mapp was on the second floor, and she has not enough time to go down the stairs and open the door for the police officers. When she just reached the first floor, the police officers were already inside her house searching. So Miss Mapp asked the police officer again for the search warrant, which the police officer argued they have it, but they didn't have the search warrant. It was just a piece of paper. The police officers also handcuffed Miss Mapp because they say Miss Mapp was very rude to them. After handcuffing Miss Mapp, police officers start searching the house. They search the rooms, the kitchen, the living room. They search the closets, the drums, documents, photo albums, and finally they search the basement. In the basement, they found a room where some pornographic material was found. The police officer charged Miss Mapp for holding pornographic material which was provided on the state of Ohio. As a court, police officer one more time argued that Miss Mapp was holding this pornographic material. And Miss Mapp argued that her Fourth Amendment was violated. And the Fourth Amendment, I'm going to read it from this book right here that you can find at any classroom for the Arizona Western College main campus in Yuma. So if you go to this section which says Bill of Rights, you will find on page, on page 14, the Fourth Amendment. The Fourth Amendment says, the right of the people to be secure in their person, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrant shall be issued. But if in public house supported by oath or affirmation and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. So as you can see, all the Fourth Amendment, all of what it says was violated against Miss Mapp. She was violated, well, she was not, but her right for be secure in the person in her house papers was violated. She was charged against unreasonable seizures and seizures. They were looking for a fugitive and they start searching documents while they cannot find a person inside a folder. So she also argued that her 14th Amendment, which secure that all citizens must be protected equally. This means that all rights must be applied to every citizen of the United States. So the court decided in a vote of 5-3 to find not guilty to Miss Dory Mapp. After this case, the exclusionary rule was passed. The exclusionary rules one more time protect every person of the United States to be protected against unreasonable seizures. For the exclusionary rule, evidence that is found as a result of good faith can be used against you. For example, if a police officer stops you while you're driving your car and the police officer asks you to search your car, you accept this claim for the police, and the police officer find cocaine in your car. This evidence can be used against you. So that's it for the landmark case, Mapp versus Ohio. In my own opinion, I found very important this landmark case because it protects everyone from the violation of your Fourth Amendment to be secure in your own personal houses from unreasonable searches and seizures. By the time a police officer came to your house, arguing to came in and search your house, they must have a search warrant. So that's it for today. And this was the landmark case one more time, Mapp versus Ohio. Thank you.